Hello there and welcome back. So our after video 2, we already know how to create a page post engagement. Now the third video is what we're gonna do is we're gonna focus on how we're gonna create a dark post ad. Okay, so this has different objective. Page post engagement is used to tell Facebook that I want people that's gonna like, comment, share on my post. Okay, on the contrast, dark post is what you tell Facebook is I want people who actually going to see this ad, and when they click the link or the photo, it would redirect them to my website or product page. All right. Okay, so our objectives is first is to have our ad creatives copy and tell me, Kenneth, we had ad copy earlier. Yes, we're gonna use that. However, there are limitations to its size. Okay, now this is the limitation size that what Facebook wants you to use for posting dark post ad. Okay, so it's 1200 by 628 pixels. That's the max. Okay, max 1200 by 628 pixels. That's the max. You can go lower, higher than that, but no beyond than that. Okay, it's gonna be either photo or video, and we're gonna do a strategic ad planning on how we're gonna do it. We're gonna keep it simple as possible and make it sure that it is an effective way on how we can promote that. Now we have tools that we need in order for us to get started. First is we need to have Power Editor. All right, that's the common tool that we're gonna use all the time. If you master Power Editor, you're a master builder and creator of ads. That's all you need to know. Okay, very simple, straightforward. You don't need anything else. That's it. Second is Teespring account. You need a Teespring. Like, why I need Teespring account? I have my Shopify already. For some reason, I'm gonna tell you why. As Teespring has been around for many years, and we're just gonna access the tools that they have for us for free to use, and I'm gonna show it to you which tools, because they have a tool called Ad Factory. Right? Ad Factory is a tool where you can actually create an ad, create a dark post ad in order for you to create that killer nice looking background and all this kind of stuff, right? And what you need to do here is just actually just not load campaigns. Oh, you can actually integrate if you have a campaigns, but what you need here is just custom images that about your product, right? You just need a custom image about your product, and we just need to grab that photo. Hold on. Yeah, before we get into that, so Power Editor, Teespring account, and Ad Factory success. So if you don't have Teespring, please register. It's so easy to register Teespring. You just need to register. Register easy. It's so easy to register. Very simple. So just do it, and then after that, you just need to go to adfactory.co. That's co. I put a link here so you can just copy and paste it later on. And when you get there, add Access Factory now, and then you have the toolbar. Now I'm gonna show you an awesome stuff how you can create a dark post creative. All right, let's do this. So I'm just gonna grab the photo what we had. And there, put the photo there. Oh, so make sure you click custom images, and you're just gonna drag your photo right here. I just drag it here. See that? I just drag it there, and boom, there you go. There you go. So that is our t-shirt. Looks great, isn't it? Right? So we're just gonna make it bigger for a bit. There you go. And you can play with it. You can actually duplicate it. Press duplicate and then another create one. But we just need one. I mean, keep it simple as much as possible, to be honest. Can we actually take off the background? I wanna remove. There you go. Yes, you can. Let's see if I could duplicate it. There you go. Duplicate. Oh, it doesn't remove the thing. Yeah, Because remove the white, that means that you're actually trying to remove the background, but I don't know how strong it is, so that's why I'm doing that. Right? If it's too much, then you're just destroying the ad. So I think I believe this just 30 should be fine. Like 30. There you go. You can do it like that. Or you know what? Keep it simple. You know, you don't want to make complex T-shirts. You just want to keep it simple like that. I mean, yeah, keep it simple. So what I did, Kenneth, how did you do that? Let's go back. So you need a link. Register Teespring account. Go to Ad Factory Success, and just click Access Ad Factory, and you're gonna go straight here, and then you're gonna go Custom Images, and you just need to drag that photo in there, and there you go. You have a photo that you could use right now. Okay. So let's move forward. Now we have this nice looking thing. We can actually play with it though. We can actually add some sport photos. You can do it like that, right? But I want to keep it white and simple. You know, I mean, there's no more fancy stuff going on. What you want to do is just show them the image of the T-shirt, how it looks like, and how awesome it is, right? Don't keep it too complicated. The white better, and then just like a nice looking color white, yeah. And then we're just gonna do a border. Let's create a border. If we can create a border, there you go. Nice border. Color, I don't want to make it too thick, you know, just want to keep it simple like that. Put in a 10. So again, people, you don't need to have HTML codes just to create this photo. All you need to do is just know some stuff. That where can you get it? You can actually get some buttons too, right? See, I want to go for the yellow one though, looks better. And that it is. Click here now and it will sell out. So let's put some border. Just buttons, and you can play with it. You can play with it. You can do it this all time, all day. Feel free to do it, right? And then I can say made in US. They have made in US here. Made in US. There you go. Button there, and there you have it. You have a nice looking photo that actually tells you, right? I think that's 20% text, but it's T-shirt, so I think that should be fine. Yeah, and create an ad. That's pretty much it. That's all you need. And create an ad, and boom, and you have a nice color killer page. Isn't that amazing, right? That's so cool, actually. Yeah, it's very cool. So that's it. It literally took me at least 2 minutes just to create this, and that's how simple it is. Now just follow my instructions. Teespring account, Teespring account, and then Ad Factory access. Download it. Not download. Register, and then sign up, and then drag the photo, and there you go. Just drag and drop and play with it, and you are good. You are good. Now we have our creatives right now. Let me just put this somewhere. Where did I put this? Where are you? Where did you go? Downloads, maybe? I hope I can find it here. Let me see. Yeah, I found it. So we're just gonna put in a one document so we can actually grab it later on once we use it. Dark post. I'll show you here. So rename dark post, and then I'm just gonna put this image right there. Just put one so I don't get confused. Okay, so let's see if it's the right one. There you go, and that's it. That's all we need, and you have it. Now let's go back to our ad site. So again, what we're gonna try to do now is we had our objectives. We had our ad copy for sharing. We had our ad copy, which is 1200 by 600, right? It's already done. and the ad copy, we just need to grab it later on. And now we have the photo as well. Now we're gonna do is we're gonna start promoting. Awesome, because we have the interest too, right? Remember this interest? So okay, now what we need to do is click Power Editor. All right, your ad account, click Power Editor. Let me just close this rest so we don't get confused. Now we're in Power Editor. So what we need to do is click Create Campaign. Same thing as what we did with the PPE. And all you need to do is just type website conversion, right? That's WC. You put the date today, which is 05 07, and you're gonna put a American Carpenter, and you just put dark post, right? Dark post, that's it, dark post. And then what we're gonna do is create new, put the keyword, and then click website, not click website, the keyword name, and then we're gonna go down to website conversions, alright, because we have pixels set up and we need that. So in order for us to let Facebook optimize everything, choose an ad set, click create new, and same thing too. I'm just gonna copy that one and I'm just gonna put interest one. Again, back in a PPE, we actually create this to making sure that everything is organized. It's up to you how you want to do it, but this is works well for me, so I get organized. Especially have 100 ad sets that you need to manage every single day, so you got to be efficient as much as possible, so you don't waste time on just like hovering and doing ads, but you're actually constantly building ads, optimizing ads, and so on and so forth. Okay, I said when the campaign is done, just click it, and then we're in ad set right now. Sorry for that. So on page post engagement, you don't actually see this conversion event, right? So what you need to do right now is just click this and type view content, right? Okay, so why are we using view content, Canon? I mean, you could be like add to cart, purchase, and so on and so forth. So here's the thing, most marketers, most e-commerce owners fail on Facebook ads because what they do is they don't actually understand how the conversion event works, right? And how conversion event works is going through a step-by-step process in order for Facebook to understand your consumer behavior, right? So view content is in the way. For example, 01 tactical, like that, and we go with our Carpenter t-shirt, yeah, and there should be a view content here. Come on, there you go. So you should be a view content, right? And you're actually telling Facebook right now that, hey, Facebook, this is my view content and I'm viewing this product right now. And then what Facebook does is actually start collecting data to know your core customers for this product, right? And it does make sense actually. And why does the Facebook need data? Why does Facebook needs it? In order for them to understand the objectives or what you're trying to accomplish with this ad, is they're gonna target, what they're trying to do is they want your ad will be optimized to get the most out of this conversion at the lowest cost as possible, right? So if you optimize your ads based on view content, and if you want people to bring in and see this page, Facebook would do that for you, but they need to know your reach, right? And the longer it runs, the better it understands, and the longer it runs, the better it understands, the cheaper the cost you will get per click, right? And that's just a first stage. There's another one, add to cart. Once you have enough view content data, now you're gonna have people who are actually clicking the add to cart. Now what Facebook does now is he's gonna optimize the pixels, which is people who actually add to cart this product. As I can see, there's an add to cart here. And what's gonna Facebook does is, okay, this store has a lot of add to carts. Now 01 Tactical is telling me to optimize my reach and to make it cheaper as possible to reach those audience that has the behavior to do the add to cart click, right? And that's the biggest failure marketer does, because they don't actually understand the step-by-step process on how to use the conversion events. And now you have the opportunity to do this, right? So Kenneth, how do you measure, like, when should I wait until I move to add to cart? Well, you could actually start moving add to cart once you see one of your ad set that has reports that reach 50 at least 100 view content views that people link the click and went to try the product page. Product page, that what we seen earlier. Yeah, product page. If you have 100 customers that they view content and then you relaunch the ad, you can duplicate it and then just move to add to cart. So Facebook would now optimize it based on add to cart behavior. Okay, that sounds good. Awesome. So let's move forward. So same thing what we did, $5. This is when is this? Okay, next day, right? That's how we agreed. 3 a.m. in the morning. You want to get a fresh traffic, and you give Facebook time to do its research for your core customers, right? Custom audience, don't touch it for now. United States, and then ages 20, that what we did earlier. Same thing as what we did, because we never launched this campaign yet. Okay, now we have our target. So our target earlier was United Brotherhood, but I want to try different now. So in order for us to be different, right? So we just put carpentry. So there's actually 3 for carpentry. Now job titles. Now this is awesome, to be honest. We can actually specifically target people. We can actually specifically target people that has carpentry as their job title, right? You see you see in a Facebook profile, you could actually see the names, right? And then they actually put what's their job title. And now we're telling Facebook, I want profile that they put in their job titles as they are carpentry. And that is specifically targeted towards carpenters, right? Because that's profession, that's their job titles, and that's a big thing. That's laser targeted. These are people who actually work in this industry for many years and they're proud of it, right? Because they won't put carpentry as their job title if never did in industry for long. Okay, now we just need mobile newsfeed and desktop, so the rest remove. Okay, just do mobile newsfeed and desktop newsfeed. Now let's review. Title, view content, first stage, $5. Next day, 3 a.m., end of the month, United States, 20 to 65, all men, that has job title of carpentry, because that's what did our research, right? And then only newsfeed and desktop. That's it. The rest, conversion, leave as it is. Let the Facebook do its job, because he knows what he is doing. Okay, so we're just gonna click this link here. And then we're gonna go to our page, which is American, Proud Americans. That's our page. This is where we're gonna go. See, remember, page point engagement has bigger square. This one is specifically just this size, and that's what we need to follow. Okay. Now, Kenneth, do I need to do existing post? No, just create an ad. There's a difference between two. Existing post is something that already existed, and this one is you need to make from scratch. But you did page point engagement from the other one. Well, that is a published post. Okay, this one is an unpublished post, and that's what we need to do, and that's why it's called dark post, because you cannot actually see it on any pages, right, until they've been targeted with the ad. Got it? Awesome. So select image, right? Create an ad with image or video, select image, and then upload the image that what we made, dark post. It's gonna download, it's gonna upload now, and boom, look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. That looks fantastic, right? Awesome. So what we need right now is we need its website URL, which is this one right there, or you can go with the one. So that's why I always put it here, because you need to know your link, right? So it knows where it's gonna go when someone clicks the ad. And that's it. So picture, image, upload, there you go. Next is website URL. Don't touch canvas, has nothing to do with it. So we're just gonna call our carpenters. Are you a carpenter? Right, you can play with it whatever you want. I know you guys are good in copywriting, and even though English is not my first language and I didn't grow up with it, but I did try my best to actually create something awesome ad to make it appealing and make people click on the ad. Okay, don't grab this one of a kind American carpenter tee shirt, not sold in stores. Click here. Now every time you do an ad, you always find somewhere to click, because people sometimes are not just looking at photo and they might link it, but they like to see a link because it attracts them, right? For some reason it works. Just follow it. So tag your fellow carpenters and share this amazing product and smile. Headline, well, it has its auto post right now, and leave it as it is. You don't need to touch it. Keep it simple as much as possible, please, because these people are very simple and they're very straightforward. Ask questions, keeping the short content as much as possible. You want them to click the link, click this, so in order for them to go straight to the product. So that's pretty much it, right? So again, let's go back. What we did is Proud Americans. We did Proud Americans create an ad, right? And we click the ad with an image or video, and then change. We upload a photo we made using Ad Factory. Then the website link, don't forget, and then the text about it. The rest, leave it as it is. If it's not asking for details, if it's pre-built ready, leave it as it is. Keep it simple as much as possible, right? And that's it. You just need click review changes. And there you go. And let's double check if it's upload. I want to see how it looks like, right? So I just went back to, that's it. If it's not green anymore, that means it's already uploaded. So you need to go back to your ad account 01 Tactical, and let's look for that product. Okay, American Carpenter, and there you go, dark post, right? So it tells us easily which one we did, and it makes us look so organized. So I did was when AdSense, and I click AdSense campaigns because I want to see how it looks like when it's posted, and you can see post, click that, and boom, there you got it. There you go. So you have a nice, good looking dark post with a strong call to action, made in USA and American Carpenter. It relates to everything, and the red banner that shows there that it grabs their attention, right? To look at it, to take a look at it. So that's pretty much it. And that's how you're gonna do dark post. Again, if you have any questions or if you have any confusions, please don't hesitate to ask, and we're gonna make it clear as possible. I hope you learned a lot for this session, for this video. And now, after video 3, we're gonna show you how to create a video ads. Okay, that's R for video. So stay tuned. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.